Alright, we're going to go very quick video on how to convert degrees to radians and radians to degrees. If you want to know where the conversion formulas come from, you can consult your notes from my class, or you can read online. It's all sorts of stuff, but just a couple quick examples to get you ready for your next quiz. If you're given any degree amount, 30 degrees, 90 degrees, 200 degrees, and you are asked to convert degrees to radians. The conversion is you take your degree amount and you multiply your degree by pi over 180. And if you trust me, the pi over 180 does come from the fact that pi represents a half circle and 180 degrees represents kind of a half of a rotation. But for the sake of this video, you can convert these degrees to radians by simply simplifying these fractions. And so the degree symbol, think science, think units, degrees as a unit, the degrees cancel. If we're using shortcuts, a 0 cancels. And then 3 over 18 reduces to a 6, and the pi remains. So 30 degrees is pi over 6. Similar here, even quicker, degrees gone, 0's gone, 9 over 18 times pi, you got 9 pi over 18, which reduces to pi over 2. And 0 gone, 0 degrees, we got 20 pi over 18. Again, divide it, we got 10 pi over 9. And these three blue degree values, their equivalent to radians would be pi over 6, pi over 2, 10 pi over 9. These two numbers will be very familiar, again, once we get to the unit circle. Go in the other direction quickly. If you have some values like pi over 3, maybe 5 pi over 4, maybe 2 pi, and you want to convert to degrees. Maybe you're more comfortable with degrees, you have more history with degrees. You're going to use this same ratio, except you're going to use the reciprocal. So you can multiply by 180 over pi, always converting to degrees, 180 over pi, 180 over pi. Again, it's all driven on the fact that 180 degrees and pi is our kind of connector there. And the way I remember this is I don't have it memorized, but I just kind of think about, if I'm talking about degrees, I don't want there to be pi's in there. And so by putting pi on the bottom and thinking about how pi over pi is 1, cross-canceling, whatever you want to call it, the pi's are going to go away. And when you do 180 divided by 3, the degree symbol sticks around, and you're left with 60 degrees. The pi's should always go away. 180 divided by 4 is 45 degrees. So this 180 and this 4 becomes 45 if you do the division. And 5 times 45 is 225. 2 pi and pi, adios, 2 times 180 is 360. And so you have a couple quick examples of how to convert degrees to radians and radians back to degrees. Again, you got a kind of a mess here, so if I lost you somewhere along the way, I am saying with confidence that this is the degree version of this radian. And so all of these are the equivalent versions. All right, thanks for watching.